Welcome to MaraMedia. Join me on a tour through the app and learn about some of the amazing new features, such as a calendar for you to manage your days and weeks, a homework notepad, a message notification bar to receive messages or notifications from your school or teacher, a store to purchase books, a library to easily access your books once purchased, and a classroom management system to download additional resources sent to you by your teacher. Once signed in, you will be directed to your app homepage. The left panel will always remain constant, so no matter where you are in the app, you will be able to get home. This page gives you access to My Profile, where you can get an overview of your day, add and delete calendar entries, view announcements, and record your homework tasks for the day. The store and library icons at the base of the app allow for easy navigation between the store, where titles can be bought, and your library, where your titles are housed once downloaded. In Library, you will also have access to additional presentations, video clips, or worksheets that your teacher has sent to you. Under My Settings, you can edit and update personal and school information. During 2014, you will be able to personalize your app by changing the home screen photos to your own and choosing a color palette to change your app theme color. Training will keep you up to date with any new features. MaraMedia gives you access to any additional support queries and frequently asked questions. Look out for updates during 2014. My Badges will reward you for your efforts with fun and exciting offers. Chatroom will be a forum for you and your friends, and even teachers, to chat about a subject or lesson. Let us begin with My Profile. At the top, you will see the current date. The center panel is an overview of the day's events. Scroll up and down to see more. At the bottom are any alerts that you would have set for yourself in your calendar, notifying you of events in 1 or 2 days' time. Swipe left and right to see more. On the right is your homework notepad. Simply tap on the notepad to activate your keyboard and type your homework task. You will notice that an uncompleted task will remain white. Once the homework task is complete, tap the circle and it will change to green, indicating that it is complete. Within 24 hours, the completed task will be deleted from your task list. Bottom right is a notifications panel. This is where you will receive notifications from your teacher or school. Let's tap the date to activate the calendar function. In the top panel, you will be able to select your events under day, week, month, and year. The calendar will show today's date, framed in red. Once you have entered events into your calendar, they will show up as dots underneath the date. The number of dots reflect the number of entries for that day. To create a new calendar entry, tap Add Event and fill in as many details as you can. The more detail you add, the easier it will be for you later. Give the event a title, add a location, give it a start and end, date and time. You can set an alert, an icon for the event, and invite someone to join the event. You can also make extra notes for yourself about the event. When you have completed all these fields, tap Done. The event will be added to the date you set. To see the details of an event, simply tap the event and a pop-up window will appear. Showing the details of the event you have created, you can edit the event details too by tapping Edit Event. This calendar feature will help you plan your days, weeks, and months at school, helping you to remember important events, exam dates, extramural activities, and so much more. Now let's look at My Store. All your textbooks are visible in My Store. You can select your grade by tapping the scroll bar at the top. In the store, You will have access to books from grade 5 to 10. You can also download the free demo book to preview some interactive functions that can be found in the MaraMedia textbooks. To make a purchase, tap the price button and a payment detail form will appear. If you have received a voucher code from your school, bookseller, or participating partner, please log on to the MaraMedia website at www.maramedia.co.za in order to redeem the voucher. If you are paying using a credit or debit card, complete the information in the form. Make sure you select your card type by tapping on the correct image. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the box. Then click Pay Now. A detailed step-by-step guide for purchasing and downloading books is also available on the MaraMedia website. Once your voucher code has been entered on the MaraMedia website or your credit card details have been submitted, your book will begin to download. Once this download is complete, your book will automatically be stored in your library. Tap Exit to return to the store and repeat the process for each book. Let us have a look at your library. Tap the library icon at the bottom of the screen. This is your library, where you will have immediate access to all the books you have purchased. Tap View to open a book. Once your books have been stored in your library, you will not need an internet connection to view them. They will be embedded onto your device. You can also archive books that you no longer need by tapping Archive. All archived books can be retrieved at any time by tapping Archive Books. On the right side of My Library is a list of your subjects. This is where you will be able to access additional videos, presentations, or worksheets that your teacher has sent to you. If the subject is outlined in red, this means that there is something new to be downloaded. Tap the subject name. Here you will see the subject name with the module names. You will have access to your teacher's extra notes, videos, and worksheets under each topic. Tap to download what your teacher has added. These additional notes and videos from your teacher are important for you to download, as you may be tested on them. Let's look at My Settings. Here you are able to log out of the app and edit your personal and school info. Tap Personal Info. If there is anything that has changed from when you created your account, edit your information where necessary. Complete the information boxes by filling in your date of birth, gender, and contact details. You will notice that if you are male, your app's theme color will be green. If you are female, it will change to purple. You will need to log out to effect this change. Please note that in order to log back into the app, you will need internet connectivity. Tap My School Info and select the name of your school, grade, class, and whether you are a student or teacher. Click Save. If your school is not visible in the drop-down list, please contact your school administrator. It is important for these details to be completed in order for the teacher or learner management system to function correctly.